In this question we are given a quadratic equation x square minus 15x plus a is equal to 0 and it has two roots p and q. Similarly we have another quadratic equation x square minus 30x plus b is equal to 0 and it has two roots r and s. What we are told is that p, r, q, s are in a geometric progression. We are required to find out the value of a plus b. So if you are given any quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and if you are assuming that the roots of this quadratic equation are p and q, then p plus q is equal to minus b by a, and the value of p into q is equal to c by a. That is, the sum of the roots is minus b by a and the product of the roots is c by a. In this case we are told that p, r, q, s are in a geometric progression. So let us assume that p is equal to x, r is equal to x into y, where the common ratio of the geometric progression is y, q is equal to xy square, and s is equal to x into y cube. Now if you are looking at the first quadratic equation, which is x square minus 15x plus a is equal to 0, the roots of this are p and q. So the roots are x and xy square. So x plus xy square is equal to 15, and the value of x square into y square, which is the product of the roots, is equal to a. Similarly, if you are looking at the second quadratic equation, which is x square minus 30x plus b is equal to 0, the two roots are r and s. So that is xy plus xy cube. So xy plus xy cube is equal to 30, and the product of the roots is xy into xy cube. So this is x square into y to the power 4 is equal to b. Now if you are looking at the two equations, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. The first equation is x plus xy square is equal to 15. The second one is xy plus xy cube. So if you are taking y common in the second one, it is x plus xy square is equal to 30. This is already known, this is equal to 15 from the first equation. So the value of y is equal to 30 divided by 15, which is equal to 2. Now if you substitute it in the first equation, it would imply that x plus xy square, that is x plus 4x is equal to 15, or 5x is equal to 15, which would imply that x is equal to 3. So what are the four numbers? The four numbers are 3, 6, 12 and 24. The roots of the first equation are 3 and 12. The roots of the second equation are 6 and 24. So the value of a, which is the product of the roots of the first equation, a will be equal to 12 into 13, which is 36, and b is the product of the roots of the second equation. So that is 6 into 24, which is equal to 144. So the sum of a plus b is 36 plus 144, which is equal to 180.